Hello everyone, welcome to Science Fiction 365. The topic which we have covered from this chapter up till now are division of biology, branches of biology, definition of biology, relationship of biology with other sciences, career in biology, and level of organizations. Today we are going to start about colonial, multicellular, and unicellular organizations. Before starting, let me inform you that we have skipped two topics from this chapter. One is Muslim scientists and another one is Quranic verses. They both are reading topics. Unicellular organisms are those organisms which consist of one cell. In unicellular organization, all single cell organisms carried out their activities of life just by simple method. Like they digest the food by simple method, they respire by simple method, they excrete by simple method, and they move at their own just by very simple method. Example of unicellular organisms are bacteria, amoeba, paramecium, and euglena. Bacteria are tiny living organisms. Amoeba is a unicellular organism found in the mud of shallow pond. Paramecium is also a unicellular organism. Euglena is also a unicellular organism with a complex internal structure. Next organization is colonial organization. Basically, colonial organization is a category between unicellular and multicellular organism. Some unicellular organisms live alone, while some make colonies and live together. Many unicellular organisms live together by performing colonies, but they do not have any division of labor among them. Division of labor means different functions are carried out by different groups of cells in the organism. Like they are living in a colony, but they are different cells of organism and they all are performing different functions. So, in colonial type of cellular organization, each unicellular organism live its own life. They are not dependent on each other and they never form any multicellular structure. They do not have any division of labor between them. Every cell performs its own function. The example of colonial organization is volvox. Basically, volvox is a green alga. Algae are mostly plant-like organisms. They are green in color, so they have the ability of photosynthesis. You can also see from the picture of volvox that there are multiple cells inside it and every cell is responsible for different function. Moving to the next colony or organization, which is called as multicellular organization. The organism which consists of many cells are called as multicellular organisms. In another word, you can also say that the organisms are formed by many cells are called as multicellular organisms. In multicellular organism, different types of cells are present and each cell is responsible for different function and they also differ in structure. Example of multicellular organisms are frog, mustard plant. Let me ask you one thing, can humans be an example of multicellular organisms? Yes, humans are multicellular. The cell of multicellular organism are specialized to perform various functions. And human body is also composed of many different cells. Next topic which we are going to discuss in our next video will be amoeba, volvox, paramecium and mustard plant. These are example of colonial organization, multicellular organization and unicellular organizations.